Good morning, beautiful people. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. It's like I slept and I feel like I need to go back and sleep again for a few more hours. So yesterday I didn't vlog. There was nothing much to vlog yesterday. What did I do yesterday? Prepare some food, edit, and went back and did some loan training. I'll review some of those courses. So that's what I did yesterday. Nothing crazy. I'll say hi to the peoples.
That was my high.
What the heck? He's not up yet, guys. He's one of those people that takes a while to kind of like mentally wake up. I'm the type of person that as soon as I put my foot on the ground, hi, what's going on, babe? What you gonna do today? He's like,
That was my high.
I'm not up yet. And he doesn't drink coffee, so yeah. Did you like the soup yesterday that I made? Well, I made it this morning, not yesterday. I made the juice with ginger and ginger, watermelon, and strawberries. I didn't want to add the turmeric in it because I know sometimes turmeric and ginger doesn't work too well, too much of it. But you can add the turmeric in if you want to.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I wanted to drink it. I don't know if the turmeric gonna affect me because 1 week straight I was drinking turmeric straight and it was making me feel a little weird. So I didn't want to add it in there for me. So my husband loved ginger and turmeric, so he loved when I make natural juices and put ginger and turmeric in there. So I made the watermelon and strawberry juice. I just put it in a blender and put it on the milkshake setting, and then I use a strainer and strain it so it doesn't taste like a smoothie. And I did put the ginger in there, so you don't need the ginger, you need probably just turmeric. So he's gonna add turmeric to his cup. Are you going to the gym today?
Yes.
Oh. We going to the same gym? Maybe not, huh? Maybe not. Probably go to separate gyms today. But yes, and so I have to do so much today. So let me go. First of all, I have to take my medication for my ears. You know, I don't like taking pills, and for me, it's like I'll be forgetting to take pills. So I told the doctor it was a struggle, and I have to take it 3 times. It has been a struggle for me because yesterday I was like, wait, did I take it 3 times? I had to take it out one by one and count it and see if I actually took the last one yesterday. So they said I have to eat something. I need to buy like bananas because normally I would just have a banana and then eat the pill. So get my potassium before I go to the gym.
Let me tell you a world.
Okay, hold on.
Whenever you guys see me, when it's a morning thingy, it's nothing to get into. It's just me against the world in that fucking bed.
What?
So I want to go back to the bed. Because I get off at like 7, 8 every morning. Okay, that's it.
My thing keep blurring up. I don't know why. For you it's blurred, for me it's not.
Because I'm light skinned, I'm bright, and it's sun outside.
Your light skin and your bright. What the heck? You're light skin. So basically he's basically mixed. Anyways, his mom is black and his dad, no, your dad is white? Your dad is Cuban?
Yes.
Yeah, so he's mixed. So that's why he has, and then he doesn't wear sunscreen in the summertime. When it's 120 degrees, he doesn't wear sunscreen. So when I met him, he was much lighter than that.
Not a pink toe.
You're a what?
Not a pink toe.
You're not a pink toe? What's that?
It's a white person.
Pink toe? Yes, you do need sunscreen.
That's a pink toe. I don't need sunscreen.
You're not, your complexion is not like mine, right?
I started wearing coochie juice, okay?
Coochie? What? Coochie juice? What the? Why did say coochie juice? So that's the juice that I made, and he just shaking it up. He said coochie juice. I cannot. I don't know where he come with those things from. Never heard of that before. I put that in my hair last night. Oh my gosh, my hair felt so good. Especially since I can't wash it due to my ear infection. Oh, it did a good cleansing. I put that in apple cider vinegar to kind of clean my hair without actually putting a lot of water in my hair. So the apple cider vinegar actually cleansed my hair. So that was a good thing. Let's put in the roots.
And I eat.
Huh?
And I cut it and eat pieces.
Oh, let me show you guys how he does his aloe.
What really?
So he's gonna eat the aloe.
Yes.
But you know you're not supposed to eat the skin part. It's the in the middle part you're supposed to eat, right? Oh, you're blending it. And then my husband make his weird smoothies. Gosh. Ugh, always like ugh. Ugh. In the islands when my grandma
No,
used
don't turn it off of me. Let me finish. Show the world. Thank you.
oh, this is an important part. Oh.
Yes.
Oh. Aren't you supposed to blend them up together?
Yes. In my mouth.
What the heck?
This is how I eat it.
You don't chew it up? You're supposed to chew it up.
No, I don't.
You know it doesn't break down in your body, right?
Yes, it does. That's what I live for.
It does not break down like that. You have to chew it up in small chunks. You gonna be backed up. Thank goodness I'm bringing you to the doctor, because Lord Jesus, and you need a full x-ray and body scan and everything. You take that like it's pills.
This is better than pills.
I understand turmeric and aloe is good, but I think you were supposed to juice it or blend it or crush it up or chew it up or something, not just take it like that.
If we take pills with them plastic things on it,
But those
they say
break
that-
down.
That's what they tell us. Those are plastic things, that dissolves in your body, correct?
Right.
Your stomach have acids. So as it goes in your body, no matter what you eat, process of food, root, tree, your body dissolves it. Your liver breaks it down and all that. So when you shit it out, it comes out really smelly. Then when you're taking a poop, you read the diarrhea book too. Because the diarrhea book tells you
The diarrhea. What is a diarrhea book?
Because it gives you diarrhea. This basically it takes all the toxins out.
So basically, you're talking about the prescription on the instruction. It tells you, oh, it gives you this, that was not. I'm confused about this diarrhea book.
Yeah, I just created the instructions right now why the world should know this.
Oh my gosh, that is insane. I cannot. What the heck?
When she takes me in the morning, I get real silly and tired still. She's still recording me like I'm making sense right now. And you still got me on the thing. I hope you don't put that on there. I was just fucking thinking.
I am gonna put that on there. You should have said all those stuff. But yeah, when he wakes up in the morning, it's like, whew. For me, but him, it takes him at least 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours for him to get in his normal self. Yeah, the struggle. Man. I can't. So, oh, can you put the soup in the fridge, babe? Since you're not gonna eat it right now. Please.
I gave you your connection time. Leave me alone. That was your connection
He's
time.
so mean. He is so mean. Oh my gosh. Like, normally in the mornings, I don't really talk to him in the mornings when he wake up. I know I give him like a few minutes to kind of adjust to the morning. So, if you guys ever know, I'm Jamaican and he's American, so our culture difference is a lot different. And I was born and raised in Jamaica. So yeah, so like how he be eating, not even swallowing the aloe and stuff. Yeah, we don't do that. I don't know where he get that from. Where you get that from, in the Marines or the Army?
I did that from my mama.
Don't put your mama in this. Your mama didn't let you do that.
It sounds good.
No, it sounds good. Okay. Be lying to these people, but you get it from your mama.
No, I just do it. I'm just going on my instincts, honestly.
Your instinct tells to do that. Okay.
Honestly.
My instinct didn't tell me to swallow. My instinct told me to blend it up, juice it or something,
That didn't sound right. I'm not gonna swallow. That's for you.
and mix it in something. No, I'm just saying my instinct.
I know.
And then drink it.
I'm a man. I don't know who put that. I love you.
Love you too. See you later. Oh gosh. All right, guys. Let me go get ready for the gym. If I'll make it to the gym. And but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna make it to the gym because I'm being consistent to this gym situation. And by being there for like an hour, I can feel my ears popping. This is not good. Then I'm gonna probably either go to Walmart or Office Depot to get a binder. I need to get two more binders and page separators and stuff. So instead of me just keep on watching the training, I can print out all the stuff, put in a binder, so when I am out or something, I can just read instead of just watching the video. Because for me, a lot of times I learn a lot more reading a book in front of me than watching a video. So for me, it's better for me to do both. And so I'm gonna put Mark Will's all his training stuff printed out, put it in a binder, and then I'm gonna put Notary all her training stuff and put it in a binder. So I have two binders, and anything else that I got from online university, YouTube University, and put that in a separate binder. Because I still haven't set up my scanner yet, guys. Still haven't done that yet. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Anyway, let me go get dressed because my husband just went to the gym. I'm gonna meet him there. After the gym, he'll wake up, basically. That's how he mostly wake up. When he goes to the gym and come back, he's up. Forget about the mess, guys, because I have some lighting stuff there. And for me, because I told you guys that I am going to be moving this year, buying our house this year. So we already had to pack up some boxes of stuff because, you know, sometimes saying it and writing it down, that's not enough. You need to start packing stuff up. So you know, okay, so remind you come in the house, you will need to get this done. So I started packing up some stuff. So the place is kind of like a mess like that with boxes and stuff like that. Plus my office supplies, and the places were small. Gonna have boxes of paper because I get them through the holiday season when them has sale. And then I had the dog stuff that I packed aside because we have a dog coming in 2 months. This apartment is super small, but I can't complain. It's paying. We're able to pay the bills and save money at the end of the day. And it's all about saving money too. So, all right, let me go get dressed and go to the gym and talk to you guys later. All right, guys. So I am home, and I didn't even do a vlog when I got home. I was so hungry. I just took my pills and grab something to eat. I had gotten some mashed potato and gravy from Walmart. This is warm. And then I got some boneless chicken. Man, I told you, I went in. I was like, whew, hungry after that gym workout. All right, so I am going to have to do some quick thing for work because I do work tonight. I start, I think, at 10. My report time is at 10 something p.m. tonight. So I have to iron my uniform and just pack up a few little food things and put my coffee in my bag because I'm gonna need some coffee because I have a lot of work to do, and print out some loan documents and get my folder binder together. Because if I can get my binder together, then I can bring it on my trip with me. So that's my plan. And then go take a nap, shower and take a nap, and wake up to get ready for work. So that's gonna be the deal.